Okay, my name is Alize,
And my name is Bayani.
and we're going to be talking about sickle cell disease.
I'm David. I'm here with.
Ms. Velasquez?
What do you know about sickle cell disease?
Not much.
It is a disease of the blood.
In the world?
No, I do not.
No?
I do know of sickle cell. Yes.
What do you know where it's most commonly found in the world?
No, I don't.
I know that the student that had it was an African American male, and I know that it affects African Americans more prevalently than a lot of other races. And I do remember that it was really hard on my student. He was very weak. It's something that happens with your blood, and I know that he was very weak and he missed a lot of school. And he had a lot of work that he was trying to make up at home, but unfortunately, he just really could not function at a level where he was able to do a lot of his work. So I think it's a terrible disease. I think it is very debilitating for people, and I guess that's my interaction with sickle cell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So based off this background knowledge you have, do you know like where it's usually found most commonly in the world?
I have absolutely no idea.
Okay, that's all right. We got two maps here.
Okay.
What conclusions can you get from these two maps?
Right. Let's see.
Yes. What conclusions can you get from these two maps?
There's a correlation between malaria and sickle cell anemia.
Yes, there is. Yeah.
27% of the world's land surface, malaria is here, same in Africa. So yes, that's the connection I see.
Yeah.
Are there people that have malaria and sickle cell at the same time? Is it caused by malaria?
Sickle cell anemia is caused to prevent malaria. So your body fights sickle cell anemia to fight it off. It was created by our ancestors that lived in like these regions to fight off malaria.
So this
As we can see from these interviews, some people don't know, some people knew about sickle cell, but it was mentioned earlier, but in America there are two prominent ethnic groups that get it. Those are Hispanics and African Americans. And contrary to popular belief, this isn't because of their race, but because of a gene they essentially inherited. The trait derives from a mutation in hot subtropical environments where malaria is extremely prevalent. And the trait changes a protein in the blood called hemoglobin, and that causes a change in the shape. The change in shape prevents plasmodium parasites from invading the red blood cells and infecting the host with malaria. However, the change in protein shape also changes its function. The change in function causes red blood cells to no longer carry as much oxygen as they used to, and causes a lot of side effects like pain crisis, strokes, organ damages, anemia, shortness of breath, and many more.
So this impacts a lot of Americans, because over 100,000 Americans are affected by this, and there's only a limited amount of treatments for them. And compared to another disease a lot of Americans also have, which is way less, it's only about like 40,000 people have it. It's cystic fibrosis, and SCD gets way less funding, as it is believed to not provide enough profit, and lack of research is caused because not a lot of people think or want to enroll in these like research trials. And then this is also like derived from systematic racism, because there's a lot of this going around in like medical research, as they prioritize other groups that are like mostly white instead of like people of color. And this has led producers to believe that it is not worth developing a treatment because only two major minority groups are affected and not white wealthy people.